Office in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, Warren County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, eastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, northeastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, Greene County, until 10 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dayton to near Hamilton, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Hamilton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Fairfield, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Mason, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Forest Park, Springboro, Vandalia, Sharonville, Wilmington, Monroe, and Loveland. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 34 and 35. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 19 and 60. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 17 and 62. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov.